new glasses. Chapped lips forever. Hey guys, it's Alaceia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, I know, but I'm finally back and I hope you guys can forgive me. I really hope you guys stick around. And also, if you're new, please subscribe. The little button is like down below. I really thank you guys for watching. We're almost to 100 subscribers. I know that's not a lot to some, but it's a lot to me. And I appreciate all of your little eyes watching. Recently got new glasses. So if you guys noticed that, it's really new. I got them over Thanksgiving break. Let's get on with the video. So today's video is gonna be like over Christmas stuff. Now, since I haven't posted in a while, it's December. Gifts that people may like, suggestions of some sort. It's based off of my personal preference, but you guys might like the same thing too. So let's keep going into the video. Ariana Grande's perfume. I love her perfume. It's so good. I wear it every single day, and this is a great gift, by the way. This is one of the things. A person likes art like me, into digital art of some sort. Wacom, Huon, Pablo, XP pen, pen display, drawing monitors and stuff like that. Like, the drawing monitors are more on the expensive side. If you got like that, boo, do you. Go ahead, go buy some, sis. Go buy some. You can always just go that route. Okay. And something else that a person probably might like, clothes. Everyone likes clothes, sweaters, socks, fuzzy socks. Like, those are so nice and comfortable, you know. Like cozy stuff or something. Get coffee if you want. Lattes, tea. Tea is my ultimate favorite beverage. I love tea. You can get like green tea, chai tea, chamomile tea, ginger tea, vanilla teas. I love tea, so you get the point. If you like electronic-y stuff, instruments, if someone likes instruments, cute strings or like straps for their instruments, or like, I play the ukulele, so like I always either want to get a case or get another ukulele. I already have two. I only want is a tenor, and then I'll be done with ukuleles. Like, your sister's broke, so I don't know. I'm not a give advice. I can't really speak my potato wedges. If they just like to be there for Christmas and just spend the holiday, that's perfectly fine. Hey, if you don't know what the person actually likes, maybe if they say, oh, just give me gift cards or something like that, just give me gift cards. Like, it's not that hard. It's perfectly fine. I'm like, spend Christmas or holiday, I don't know what you guys celebrate, but just like spending time with your family and friends and having a fun time over the holiday, that's really nice too. It's not all about the presents either. Like, if you just celebrate and just be happy and thankful for whoever's around you and like be blessed. Okay, but these were just my suggestions. If you guys want a part 2 to this video, I don't know. I'm gonna film 2 videos today because I haven't posted in so long, so I need to get some videos up. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see more of my potato wedge face. And I'll see you tater tots next time. I'll start calling y'all tater tots now because I think that's cute, because I'm a potato wedge and you guys are tater tots because you glowed up. So thank you guys for watching this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. You don't always have to subscribe. You don't have to subscribe to everyone who says that. But you can always just, if you want, just support my channel, subscribe and stuff. That would be really amazing. And I'll see you next time. God bless. Bye.